You're stuck right now, right? You're feeling the tension and confusion of an unhappy marriage. Your wife is distant. Maybe she feels exceptionally cold. Maybe she's just downright angry right now. Maybe she says things like, "You disgust me." Or worse, maybe she doesn't say anything at all. You've tried to fix it. You've tried to soothe her. You've tried to soften her moods and manage her emotions. Maybe you're walking around on eggshells. Maybe you overthink every word she says. You've tried to be agreeable and helpful, emotionally available, but deep down it's killing your sense of confidence in yourself. You're really just trying to carry around her pain like it's yours. You've made yourself responsible for her happiness. And in doing that, you've lost yourself. Well, here's what you need to know. This is a really common situation. It's not actually unique. It feels very personal, and I know because I've lived it, and so have the men that I've helped through it. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and here's what you really need to know. You are not responsible for her emotions. You're responsible for your presence. I'll say that again. You're not responsible for her emotions. You are responsible for your presence. You're responsible for how you respond to her moods. That's where the real power lives. Because when you become the man who collapses under pressure, she can't trust you. When you try to control her feelings, she can't relax. When you chase her emotional waves, you lose your masculine frame. You stop being the mountain lion and you become this hummingbird on crack. So, what's the solution? I hear you asking. I hear you saying, "Charlie, okay, I've tried real hard to please her and things aren't getting better. In fact, if anything, they're getting worse." Well, that's because there's something that you haven't tried yet. It's a path forward you haven't mastered yet. A path where you stop rescuing, where you start leading, where you stop reacting and start responding with grounded confidence, where you reclaim your clarity, your strength, your peace, no matter what she feels. And when you do this, she's going to wonder what happened. When you stop reacting to her moods, she won't have you to blame for the way that she feels. And you'll stop feeling trapped in the endless loop of her emotions. So, are you ready to try something new, something different? Well, here's how to get started. Book a private call with me. Let's cut through the confusion and get clear on what you really want for yourself and your marriage and what it takes to get there. In addition to a phone call, I'll also introduce you to a community of men who are confidently navigating the storm of marriage, separation, or divorce without judgment, just truth, tools, and powerful support. I'll tell you how you can join our weekly group calls and how you can join a tribe of men who are grounded and building the life that they enjoy, with or without her. No victims, no pleasers, just creators, leaders, and brothers. If you're tired of trying harder and getting nowhere, if you're ready to stop apologizing for who you are, if you're ready to lead again, then do this. Visit happymancoaching.com and book a free one-on-one Happy Man coaching call. I guarantee after that call, you'll have more clarity about yourself, more confidence in your ability to be okay when she's not okay. Because this storm, it doesn't define you. You were actually built to lead through it. So let's go. Visit happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.